Okay, hi. So in this video, I'm going to break down how to make 100K a year, right? So go ahead and grab your pen, calculator, handy dandy notebook, and let's get into some things. All right, so $100,000, period. Okay, so 100,000, let's divide that by 12 because there's 12 months in a year, right? And that gives us $8,333.33. I'm not going to put the cent in here because that's just ugly and it just makes things really ugh. So we're not going to do that. Okay, so each month you need to bring in $8,333. Let's break that down some more. So let's break that down by 4 because there's 4 weeks in a year. So let's divide that by 4 and we get $2,083.33. Again, we not messing with the change. We not, ugh. Okay. So each week you need to make $2,083. Let's break that down even more. So let's divide that by 7 because there's 7 days in a week, right? So you would need to bring in $297.61. Let's just say $298 because I'm not messing with no change. All right. Okay. So each day you need to make $298. All right. And let's say your average order value is $25. So let's divide 298. Uh-oh, I turned off my calculator. 298 by 25, because that's your average order value, right? So that would put you at $11.92. Let's just say you need, sorry, not 92 cents. These are your orders. So we're not breaking that down into decimals. So let's say you need at least 12 orders a day at $25 to hit that goal. So what does that look like? Let's break that down even furthermore. Okay, so let's say your conversion rate is 1%, which means 1 out of every 100 people who come to your website will actually buy something. You definitely can have a higher conversion rate than that. So, but we're just going to do 1% to keep the math easy. So let's do 12 times 100. And that gives us 1,200. So you need 1,200 visitors a day to your website, 1,200 visitors a day to your website to make 100K a year. And that's if your conversion rate is 1% and your average order value is $25. Again, your conversion rate may be higher or lower and your average order value may be higher or lower. So plug and play your numbers into this equation to make that happen. So now that you have your magic number as far as how many visitors you need to get each day to hit your sales goals, now you can play around with your marketing and your advertising and everything like that that basically drive traffic to your store, because you know you need at least 1,200 motherfuckers to come to your page or your store each day buying something for at least $25 to make 100K a year. Period. It's that simple. Okay, bye. Save this video, share it. Love you.